Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MRNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis previously. That is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's another big bearish day, updates need to be done, so much so that I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of both these lines. They've served their purpose for now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The newest area of support, and there's nothing fancy or complicated behind this at all, other than the fact of just where the bleeding stopped on a couple different situations today, is right down here around $54, and we'll just call it 25 cents. You can see right here that is during the first 30 minutes where the bleeding stopped and actually got a nice bounce. And then when that bounce rolled back over, you can see once again right around that area is where the price found a bid. So 54.25 going to be one of those levels that a lot of people are watching. And while it's not a guarantee, it's, my point here is it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that if the price goes sideways and then breaks down through 54.25, that could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So that's certainly going to be one of those areas of support that a lot of people will be watching moving forward. Now, in the event, maybe this is some sort of bottom formed and the price is going to try to bounce. So if the price does bounce, first key area of resistance to keep an eye on, going to be right up there at $56. And let's just make sure, $56.50. And then after $56.50, next key level after that, right up there at that area, which sits at the $58 mark. So overall, there's some nice little upside potential for it for a tradable bounce. But as of now, there's definitely a lot of bearishness out there. So we'll see if that 54 area can hold up or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.